Hi everybody, it feels like it's been a little while. It's been a hot minute since we've had a new pattern. And I think because it's been a bit longer, we've all had time to sew one up, which is fantastic. So it's really nice to have everyone here to shout about the Amy shirt.
Yay! We love Amy.
We do.
Fun favourite already.
Yes. So obviously well, not obviously, you may not know, I am an avid shirt wearer. I love shirts, wearing them like this. I love wearing them like Jemima's got them. I love them in the summer with like shorts and a vest as like a little over thing when you're a little bit cold. And I love it in the winter because you can button them up and you're super, super smart. So obviously I couldn't leave a shirt out of our collection this year. It felt like time for Sew Over It to have a new shirt. So let's talk through the Amy shirt, the details.
There's a lot of them, which is exciting.
Yeah.
I think that's why I love shirts.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Meaty.
They're a meaty project. They're so satisfying to sew. Oh, love it. We were sewing ones together the other day and both just being like, oh, I've just done this step. Oh, it looks really nice. Oh, I've just done this step.
You text, you're like, I'm on step 47. No, you used the overlucky.
I love that. That's something I'd forgotten. I haven't sewn a shirt in a while.
So neat.
So neat. Everything's like,
satisfying all round. So Amy has 2 official versions, and she was designed in a way that you have a version that's slightly with kind of sharper lines, maybe a little bit more sort of on the androgynous side, and one with softer lines that has gathers and a softer collar as well. But we'll talk through them. So maybe if I can have Jemima, my glamorous version 1, which has the regular shirt collar on. Both of the colours on both versions are slightly rounded. I feel like they're both a little bit softer than a standard shirt collar.
and they have a collar stand as well.
Yes.
Proper shirt with a proper collar stand. And then if you twirl, sorry, I left you at the front. Twirl around the back, you've got the double pleats at the back as well. So you've got loads of ease in the back.
Beautiful.
But it is still quite nice and neat on the shoulders. So it's not
slightly off the shoulder. Though.
It is
like
off the
drop
shoulder.
Yeah.
And maybe about an inch or so. But it is, I'd say it's more of a relaxed fit than an oversized fit.
I think.
It's not big oversized. It's definitely can
I
be
still like it.
I know.
I don't do oversized, so
Suiting us all.
exactly. And there's a very nice yoke. I think you can see it maybe on Chloe's version.
Yeah.
You can really see it. It comes around a little bit, which I love.
Yes.
A little bit forward.
It's almost like if you're going to have a seam there, why not see it?
Show it. Yeah.
And then you can have fun with it as well, which
More
is
on
one of
that
my
later.
future versions. And then the difference with the second version 2, which Alma is wearing, is that it's got this beautiful, really gently scalloped collar. And I love scallops, but I didn't want to go for the really super curved kind of, I can't think what the word is, but I wanted it to be more subtle.
This is more like a wave.
It's a wave, that's
like
true, I love it. And I've got cuffs to match, right? So if Chloe's got version 1, that's more of a straight cuff, and I've got slightly rounded ones to match the collar. And
Also, gathers on the back.
Can you see them in this fabric?
They shimmy in beautifully. So hopefully you can see there's kind of, with the 2 versions, there's 2 different ways you can go, but also all of those details are completely interchangeable. So you can just pick and choose. I've definitely got one version that's
a bit of
everything.
Yeah, that's nice. And a pocket as well.
Yes, pockets.
Yeah.
So
You've got a pocket.
No, I didn't put the pocket on.
I didn't put the
So you can choose to not put a pocket on.
You can. We'll put pictures up of the pocket we've got nice and close up. But version 1 is the one you're wearing, which is really cool and sharp, and it's got a little pen pocket, which is adorable.
And then version 2 has got a patch pocket that's just nice and rounded. So again, kind of echoing the softness on version 2 and the slightly sort of sharper lines on version 1. The other magic touch on Amy is that there is no placket on the cuff and the sleeve. We've come up with a way of sewing a cuff with the sleeve without all that hassle of binding a placket, cutting into your sleeve.
Which takes a long time.
So
this makes Amy quite a quick. You know, as shirts go, I would say Amy's a little bit faster because of it.
It makes it so much faster. And
So it's
also,
a pin
Really
tuck.
cool.
yeah, so you've got a pin tuck that's helping that sleeve fold into place when it's closed, and it's another one of those things that I kind of secretly put in for myself because I am always warm and I really like rolling my sleeves up, and it means because you haven't got that opening that I won't be able to do it on camera now easily, that your sleeves just roll up really nicely and
Oh,
really
I
neatly.
hadn't thought
Because there's not the
that.
extra bulk there that you're having to fold in.
That's
I
it.
hadn't thought of that. That
So it
makes
sits
sense.
super flat, and that is 100% me being
A
like,
rosy
you know what?
touch. I'm gonna
This
do
is my
this.
job and I can do this.
I think everyone wants that option though. Like,
Yeah,
in the
true.
summer, you want to be
Yes.
able to turn it up. Don't
Yeah.
you?
Exactly. And when your sleeve is down, it's always closed.
Yes.
So you don't
Yeah,
see
you
the little
wouldn't
gap
see it
anywhere.
anyway.
Yeah.
So hopefully it's a win-win.
Beautiful. And now
Um,
because of these various elements of Amy, it is an intermediate pattern,
Yes,
correct?
absolutely. Yes, yeah. A shirt is always, I think, going to be intermediate.
Yeah.
If you are a confident beginner and you want to dive into shirt making, then aim for like a cotton, using a cotton.
Yes.
That'll make it so much easier, and maybe that leads in quite nicely
Ooh,
to some
yeah.
fabric choices. So do you remember you made yours in a cotton?
This is a
I would
cotton,
say?
yeah. I like to give myself an easy life.
Yeah.
Why not?
So I've gone with a cotton, but I think, most
Beautiful.
woven fabrics are going to work. You definitely
Honestly,
want
I think so.
woven, not knit.
Yeah.
But you've got a viscose.
I've got a viscose twill.
And so that gives it more drape, a little bit trickier to sew, but it makes it more floaty. Particularly, I'm going to say suited for the version,
wavy.
the wavy version.
The wavy version.
This version 2.
We've got Diana, our model, was also wearing the version 2 in a viscose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, it just suits, and also the gathers,
gathers.
it suits
Yeah.
the gathers
Yeah.
a lot. So definitely viscose and drapiness, but then I've also got a cotton version, which is
But like that
crisp.
classic shirting, cotton shirting, I feel like
Yeah.
that's going to give you the classic shirt look. Chloe, we've got in, it's not a linen, is it?
No, it looks like linen, but
Yeah.
it's actually a rami. I don't know if I'm saying that right. So it's either rami or rami, but we don't know. Anyway. But it essentially it feels like linen. It looks like linen, but it's actually, instead of being made from flax, it's made from a nettle plant.
so cool.
So it's still got all the same sorts. So it's breathable
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
light.
It is
It creases,
so-
but I quite like
I
that
like that.
look.
I love it.
But yeah, I wanted a linen.
I am
Yeah,
seeing
it's
this
beautiful.
linen,
Stunning.
slightly oversized
Yeah.
shirt look everywhere. I
Yeah,
think it's
that's
coming
true,
for summer.
that's true.
Yeah, because I quite like it's like done up. You can layer it, and it's nice
Yeah.
and breathable for winter, but also in the summer. Pair it with some Kira shorts.
Shorts,
Yes,
yes,
And you've got a
exactly.
little.
I love it. And we're just going to hint at something so you can see that Chloe's collar is beautifully decorated. So she embroidered it herself, and there's more on that coming very
Yes.
soon.
Yes.
Keep your eyes out.
But
But
and then
Rosie's.
yeah, Rosie, you in a viscose as well?
Viscose
Yeah,
twill
yeah,
again,
yeah.
right? Yeah.
Satiny maybe?
But it is. It's, I was
sheen.
I feel like
looking at
yours
yours.
is more luxe.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's got a
It
slight
feels expensive.
It
Yeah.
looks so expensive, Rosie. It's like I was saying earlier, just to buy a shirt like that,
Yes.
you're leaving 100 plus on the
Oh,
table. Honestly, it looks so good.
Yes, no, it's lovely. It works really well in that. It feels like it's possibly a little bit heavier than
nice.
yeah,
Yeah.
I think.
Oh no, it is, it is. I
Yeah.
wasn't expecting that. Okay.
So it's got a little bit of
interesting.
body to it, but it works absolutely perfectly.
Stunning.
And I think what you were saying, 90% of
Most woven
woven
fabrics.
Yeah.
sort of light to medium weight, are going to work really, really well.
I'm even thinking a little bit heavier and it's a little shackety
Yeah.
situation,
Like a
right?
flannel or something would be
Ooh, a
cool.
flannel. Okay, next
Yeah.
winter we're doing
Or
that.
a needle cord.
Or a needle
Nice
cord.
little needle cord would
Yeah.
be nice.
Beautiful.
So you can really, you can take it in the direction that
Yeah.
you want the shirt to look like.
Yeah.
Like, they're all going to give it a slightly different look,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
that's the joy. And if you don't have a fabric, then we do of course have some kits as well. So have a browse through those.
Yeah.
That includes everything you need: the fabric, notions, and pattern and instructions.
For either version.
For both versions,
Yeah.
exactly.
Fabulous. Also, I just thought silk. Just gonna
Oh,
leave it
I
there.
know.
A silk Amy shirt.
Yes,
I
there's
was
some
looking
pattern
for some
insiders that have been talking about making silk
So
versions.
we'll hopefully see them by now.
Yeah.
They'll be out, and which leads us nicely into the hashtag. So go and have a look on Instagram. It will be hashtag SOI Amy Shirt. And hopefully our Patterns Insiders have posted their versions already. We'll be posting to death about the Amy shirt. Just prepare yourselves, okay? We're obsessed. We've made a lot of versions. We've made so many samples, and yeah, we just love it. It's as we say, it's a nice project. If you're like a process sewist, I
Yeah.
think this is like so satisfying.
It
And
is
learning new
satisfying.
techniques and things falling into place, and I love
that's
it.
it. And we've also got a little bit of help with
course.
all our new patterns. There tends to be something a little special on Stitch School. So we've got 2 tutorials coming with Amy, one of which to help you sew the cuffs.
Yes.
It's not a tricky process, but it is new.
Yeah.
So if you would like a little helping hand, I'm there to help you sew the cuffs. And the other one is a bit more about customization,
exciting, this
which
one.
is how to sew a split button placket.
Say that 3 times fast.
Whilst filming that tutorial, that is very hard to say, just off the cuff. So what that means is that your placket with the buttonholes on is split into 2 pieces, and you actually end up not sewing buttonholes. It's all the buttonholes are built into it.
I mean, that sounds
So this is a
cool.
kind of hack. So these
Yes.
it is normal buttonholes
Yes.
on the standard pattern, but
Yeah.
if you wanted to change it up, learn a new technique,
Exactly that.
different way of doing buttonholes.
And
Maybe if
avoid
you struggle
taking
with
buttonholes,
buttonholes
yeah.
on your machine,
Yeah.
you used to
I
with an old
used to have a
machine,
new
used to
machine.
avoid buttons.
Now I'm like, Amy shirt, because my machine can do it.
But if that's you, this might be the technique that you need.
So yes, they're
So
all
cool.
on Stitch School. If you're a basic or a premium subscriber, you will already have access. Just go log on
Easy.
and watch and make your shirt. And if you don't, you can buy them individually as well, or subscribe, of course.
Why not? Why not?
I think for now that is all about Amy shirts. I hope you can see from all our different versions how diverse it can be.
Versatile,
I
yeah.
love how different these all
Oh,
are.
love it, love it, love it.
And we'll be back very, very soon. We're probably off to go and sew some more Amy
yeah.
shirts
Yeah.
now.
For every occasion.
Yes, exactly.
Honestly, I'm gonna say it's never gonna go out of style. It's such a
No.
Yeah,
classic
classic,
shape,
yes.
so
Yeah.
just make many. You'll wear them forever.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna leave that there. But give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel. We're doing so much on YouTube these days,
Yeah.
so you don't want to miss out. And we'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.
Bye.